Remember what I told you in the past. Whenever we see a vector candle on the higher time frame, particularly the daily and the 4 hours time frame, what you want to do is measure that vector candle. If the coin is in a bullish state, they are going to recover at least half of that vector candle. And from the half that they're going to recover, you can then buy. It's not always exactly half, but they're going to at least bring price there. You can see clearly they brought price closer to the half, yeah. So you would have bought there, but again, they are still attempting to come and maybe recover the part that they didn't bring price to. I don't know, but we're going to look at the lower time frame to establish this. But let's look at now the bigger picture here. So you see, we were in an uptrend long, like when it was launched on Binance. Baby Doge Coin was launched on Binance, and we saw this huge uptrend. And now we saw a pullback, and all of the gains that was made during the period that this coin was launched on Binance has been eaten back by the market makers. This is what they do. When they pump the price and you are not smart to cash out profit, they are going to cash the profit out for you. Now, looking at this other chart, this is one of the charts that I always talk about on this platform. You're going to see that these guys, they pump price. There's a pattern here that they have been following. They have been doing this for some time now, and you can see clearly from this zone where price started, they pump price, bring it down, pump it, bring it down, pump it again, bring it down, pump it, and bring it down, pump it again. Now we're at a level where I think we should see a breakout to the upside, right? Price should break out. Price has formed a support zone here. Let me mark this area so you can see previous price action. I'll say that if say I want to like start DCAing Baby Doge Coin, this should be a zone for me to start buying. So I can see previous price action and looking at what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is now, I think, at 75, let's say it's trading in between 75 and $76,000. If say Bitcoin keep doing what Bitcoin is doing and Ethereum has broken structure to the upside, the target for Ethereum is about $3,500. So I think the Dogecoin can see a parabolic move to the upside, looking at this weekly time frame and looking at this pattern. You can see price was forming lower lows, lower lows. You see, look at this trend line, and now we are here. Okay, for the previous price action, you can see when price get to this zone, price always go back down to this level. But now at this point in time, they have recovered just half of these vectors, half of this vector. Now, what is the next target? Right, the next target is this. It's simple. And what I do is I bring in my Fibonacci tool as usual, or I can bring in the volume profile. But let me just bring in the Fib tool. I already marked the zones like long time ago, but let me bring it again. You see, so if we not see a pump here, the next target is going to be this golden pocket, and the last zone is going to be here, this area. I think this zone where we have this other area. Let me just mark it properly for you so you can see. So this is going to be the area where if say you want to cash out profit, you can cash it here. It's simple as that. But again, we have to reassess price and see what price is doing. So if say price is going to leave this zone, then this is going to be the target for Baby Dogecoin. Possibly, I think so. Yeah, that's going to be the target. Because if say I do something like this, let me see. Or let me mark this quickly. Let me see if say this is going to work. Okay, take it back to the upside. Yeah, around that area. Yeah. So we should expect price to get to this area before we see some sort of pullback. Again, and the pullback is going to come to this zone. This is going to be an important structure for price to break. So if price break this structure, we should expect price to retest the structure back. Before maybe going to the upside. So I'm looking at this zone now as an area where maybe for those of you who are investors, you are looking for a buy opportunity, then consider this area as an area where you can start looking at or start seeing the project. And I think that this project is good. I know it's good, and nothing really alarming is happening now with the project that can make me say, or maybe it can go to zero, like what is happening with Casper. But this project is good, and I love what they are building, or what they are coming up with a wallet, a platform like Pump.com. So they're going to call it Poppy.com, and they want to help investors make money. Simple as that, right? And at the same time, they themselves are making money. Baby Dogecoin community, they are in business. Okay, they make money from you guys. So all of us make money. by the way. So they pump the price. We make money. Those of you who don't sell, you are in love with the project, you lose money, and we make money. We cash it out, and we wait to buy again. We make money. You are still loving the project. It's okay, love it, but you have to cash out profit, right? Now, looking at the 4 hours time frame for the Dogecoin, I can confirm to you guys that looking at the 4 hours time frame, we are at this zone where I should consider it still a buy zone, because I think we have formed a W here. You see, it's clear that price want to be in an uptrend. So the 4 hours time frame is bullish for Baby Dogecoin. And after this information, I told you guys that we should see the reversal from here, because I saw level three drop, level one drop. It was level one drop, retracement level two. Sorry, level one drop, retracement level two drop, retracement level three drop, and now we form a W here. And then this is the first rise. We're gonna see second rise, then third rise before we start looking at maybe pull back from there. But this is the structure that I trade. I trade price action, break of structure. And if say break of structure tells me I should buy, then I buy. If it tells me I should sell, and then I'm gonna sell. Or if it says take out profit, I'm gonna take out profit. So this is what I'm looking at for Baby Dogecoin.